I am playing Cam Are You a TikToker? Part 3, I think. Yeah, part 3. Yeah. Who remembers my first one? It's loading. I'll pause it for you guys.
Cameron.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, if you want me to play hardcore. I said if you catch that, I said that for my first one. Oh yeah, and I changed the brightness. I finally could see down here. Look, can you guys see? Barely. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me change it. I'll change it. Let's go to settings. Settings. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have texture packs. Which one should I do? Comment down below.
Camcat videos.
No, it's Christina Westgate now. Brightness, profile, sensitivity. No, how? I changed it.
What is
This is weird.
What is it?
Never mind. Actually, do you want me to turn on? I'm gonna turn on Fortnite. I can't. Let's try Fortnite. Yeah, I can. Yeah, it's bright. Okay. If you hear my first video, it's in the background. Pew 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 pew. What should I do, guys? I have no idea what I should name this video. Oh, I know what to do. Here it is. Boom. Inventory. Let's change that. I still need coal for once. I don't even have one piece of coal. Oops. I need 5 furnaces. Yep, you heard me right. 5 furnaces. I don't know why. I need them. Probably gonna get more.
Maybe they don't like it, right?
Good boy. Hello. Are you the crazy chicken from the third or second one? You die. Huh? Huh? Wee. Let's collect some wood. Need some wood. Wood is amazing. It helps me go through my life. Let's go. Bro. I think the llama just said, dude. I don't remember how to drop stuff. Oh, you have to hold it down. That's how. Great. I'm gonna go make a new axe.